Jefferson County Court Alert number 2 is now in session. The court is in session on today's date, April 15th, 2026. Court has, well, today we have two dockets. We have a motion to revoke probation docket and an announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are not represented by an attorney or if you're representing yourself, then when I call your name, please come before the court by yourself. You have any, please, ready? You don't have no paperwork.
Make sure you put your phone on vibrate, please.
Is his client's not here?
Yates is here.
Yates is here?
Yeah, he's
That's Mr. Lawrence's
here for
client.
felony.
That's Jack Lawrence's client.
Let me let you know she is. That's weird. Fingers are yelling.
210.
Okay,
First case is cause number 25 CCCR 0630. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jennifer Franco.
give us the first right there, 1 minute takes. Thank you.
Ms. Franco, your full name is Jennifer Franco. How are you doing, Ms. Franco?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Franco, you're representing your case by your attorney, John Macy. Attorney Mason, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. State is represented in this case by attorney. Y'all have a plea in this case?
Yes, Judge.
We don't have, you have the paper?
I hadn't sent it over, Judge. I'm sorry.
Okay,
I
well, we'll call you back up when we get the paperwork.
okay.
Well,
To the court, I thought it was about.
Okay.
I hadn't sent it.
So here's Paget. Paget was not here. Let's see.
We put. Oh, wait a minute. It's not here.
Haley's not here either. Haley.
No.
She was here, okay. Let's see,
Mr. Boudreaux.
LeBlanc is not here. And let's see.
Have you spoken with your client? Have you spoken with your client? He didn't respond when I called his name. When I try to call him? Hawkins? Hawkins, right?
Maybe outside.
Okay, Calvin Thomas Jr. Miss Provo. Yeah, I have him as being here. Huh? It was reset? Calvin Thomas Jr. on page 9. Green?
Yes.
Okay. Green was reset too? Okay. Who is that?
Mr. Green.
Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Green?
Jacoby Dwayne Green is doing all right.
Okay. Now, Mr. Green, you're represented by your attorney,
Yes, sir.
Attorney Marva Provo.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Ms. Provo, how are you doing? Okay. This is Mr. Hubel. Could you just stand in? This is one of Ms. Nixon's cases. This is, now, Ms. Provo, you've reset the case?
Yeah, but I think he wants to, sell that today if he comes to some resolution.
Okay,
Completed.
okay, just have a seat. We'll call you back up. Okay, yeah. Oh,
You can write something down? But he got somebody. Yeah. No, I do. I'm sorry.
Mr. LeBlanc, you working on a plea
Yes, just on Gary Hafford.
on Hafford? Okay. Is that third one on the docket?
No, we put it in.
Okay. Nancy Morales,
Judge, can we hold on that
you
one?
want me to hold on it?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
we'll call you back in a few minutes. I'll hold on it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Mr. Giltalk, we have Jorge Miguel Lozada Martinez. He's on Zoom.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Lozada Martinez, you can take your mic off of mute.
I'm here.
Okay. Hold on, we need security. Yeah. This- Okay,
I'm just asking.
this is Mr. Jorge Miguel Lozada Martinez. And Mr. Lozada Martinez is appearing via Zoom. And he's represented in this case by attorney Jared Gilthorpe. And Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing all right. State is represented in this case by attorney Cornelius Williams and attorney Fred Vernon. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Vernon, how are you doing?
I'm welcome.
That's good. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement in Mr. Lozada Martinez cases?
Judge,
Yes, three of them.
yes, Judge, he has 3 cases. We have our discoveries completed on that case. At this point, I'd ask for just a little more time to give Mr. Lozada a chance to get his contract with me satisfied.
Thank you for the candor. Well, it's the holiday.
So we're gonna put this on the announcement docket or
We can put it on a plea docket, Judge.
plea docket,
It's gonna
set
be
it
a
for a
plea.
plea, okay? Okay, we're gonna reset this for a plea. Give us a plea date.
May 18th.
Okay, Mr. Oh, hold on, he's checking this.
It's May 18th of Monday?
Yes. That day. Yes.
Is, what about you? Yes,
We
it's-
need someone to be here to cover.
Oh, this
I'll be off
is
the
Ferris,
15th.
this, right now.
Yes.
That's May 18th, okay. These cases will be reset until May 18th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Mr. Lozada Martinez, on that day, you need to be in court in person. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset dates. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
And Mr. Gilthorpe, yes, you may be excused.
Thank you.
In cause number 25 CCCR 0630, case is style the state of Texas versus Jennifer Franco. Ms. Franco, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Franco, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Franco, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Ms. Franco, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Franco?
Good.
That's good. And Ms. Franco, you're represented by your attorney. Attorney John Macy. And Mr. Macy, do you waive a record in Ms. Franco's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Franco, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Jennifer Franco, on or about January 4th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of possession of marijuana. Ms. Franco, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
To this charge, Ms. Franco, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Ms. Franco, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Information. Well, that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked Nola Katendre. Did you place your initials JF on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above a line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification, the Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. First box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
Ms. Franco, before you sign and initial all of these documents that I'm showing you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, he did.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Ms. Franco, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
State like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 in evidence?
So tendered, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection.
No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Macy, you've advised and counseled Ms. Franco. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Franco, your attorney, Mr. Macy, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Ms. Franco, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt state. Do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows, Judge. It would be 2 days' time served in Jefferson County Jail, time actually served. And we humbly request that the tax, our court costs and tax be taxed and retired.
What's the amount of the court costs? Okay. Now, Ms. Franco,
Yes.
the court cost in this case is 200, well, the state is offering that you serve 2 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you would not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation. Well, you'll be given 2 days credit. And the court cost in this case is $277. You have 2 days credit that will go toward the $277, which means that's $100 per day. So it leaves a balance of $77. Are you able to pay that $77?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ms. Franco, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
Do you accept the state's offer? Ms. Franco, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Franco, you'll stand. Just have a seat in that first chair. And then when the paperwork is ready, you'll go next to the bailiff and you'll follow her directions. Once you're finished following her directions, you'll have to go downstairs to the county clerk's office, pay that $77, and then you bring the receipt back up here. Okay? Just have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Mr. Macy, is this your
It is.
only case? So you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. Yes, Mr. Vasquez. You ready on Nancy Morales?
Judge, I'm gonna ask for a reset on that. I
Okay,
cannot-
Miss Morales, I mean, Miss Morales, please come forward.
I just need to discuss. Okay, about it. Okay.
Full name is Nancy Morales. How are you doing? That's good. And Mr. Vasquez, what's your announcement?
Judge, could we have another reset? I need to review some more discovery and go over it with Miss Morales.
Okay, give us a reset date. This case is on page 11 of the announcement docket, first two cases.
May 13th.
Okay, these cases will be reset to May 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Ms. Morales, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Vasquez, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
You're welcome.
Okay, just send it to me.
Many things. Okay, thank you.
Ms. Provo, you working on a case? Is that Jackson?
Jackson, yeah, we through with her. We need to approach them.
Okay. Christy Lorraine Jackson? Oh, did all three prosecutors stepped out? Okay. Okay.
We're just gonna be asking for a reset.
Okay, okay. Now, Ms. Jackson, your full name is Christy Lorraine Jackson. How are you doing, Ms. Jackson? That's good. Now, Ms. Jackson, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Marva Provo. And Ms. Provo, how are you doing?
Doing fine.
That's good. Now, the state is represented in this case by attorney Andrew Hubel. Mr. Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
And this probation office is represented by Mr. Garrett Gilliam. And Mr. Gilliam, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you, sir.
Okay. Ms. Provo,
Yes, you know.
what is your announcement in Ms. Jackson's case?
We're asking that this case be reset for at least 6 days. From my understanding, we did reach some compromise and you now.
That's correct, Your Honor. State would also be joining the defense on this request for a 60-day reset in order to give the defendant time to pay restitution. If that restitution is so paid, then state will submit dismissal in this case.
Hey, how much is the restitution?
$400, Your Honor. Is it? Oh,
There's $707.24.
$24.
We're asking 60 days for the first 400. And then we'll be requesting more time for the second installment.
Okay, so it's 60 days for the first 400. Okay. We're gonna get a 60-day reset. Give us a reset date.
You're done.
Hold on,
Oh,
waiting for a court date.
I was 17.
Okay, this case will be reset to June 17th, 2026. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And again, this case is set for June 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right, and you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Yeah, you know, I do have another case, but I'm working on that.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Cole, you ready on yours? You want me to hold? Where's, that's one of Cornelius's case. You could tell Cornelius, oh, this is, you asking for a reset on this case?
I will put a vote on the trial.
Trial docket? Okay, Walter D. Brown. Announcement docket page 2 at the bottom.
Mr. Answer.
Mr. Brown, your full name is what, Walter D. Brown? How are you doing, Mr. Brown? That's good. Now, Mr. Brown, you're represented in your case by your attorney Giles Cole. And Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Doing great, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Cole, what's your announcement in Mr. Brown's case?
You can set us on the trial docket, Judge.
It was a reset for trial.
May 18th.
Okay, this case will be reset for trial May 18th. Mr. Brown, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Brian Troy Gooden. Mr. Gooden, your full name is Brian Troy Gooden.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gooden? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Gooden, you're represented by your attorney, Giles Cole. Mr. Cole, what's your announcement in Mr. Gooden's case?
You can set this.
Trial docket. Okay, we're gonna reset this for trial as well. Give us a trial date. This case will be reset for trial June.
I'm sorry, May 18th.
Okay. Okay, May 18th, 2026. You get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day. Case is set at 9 a.m. And Mr. Cole, is this your last case?
Yes, it is. Sir.
You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right, Mr.
You working on one?
Okay.
Which
Which one is
it's in the process.
Harry Hafford? Okay.
Hold on.
They work on an MPA or something. She
We
wait.
do that one.
Yeah, I was trying to. I was trying to show.
Oh, okay, yeah, please. It was another, I was looking for a.
Mr. Boudreaux's client.
Didn't respond. Was he gonna call him or something?
Robert Lee Harkins the second. Okay, he's done. Okay. Burbank, Cole. Miss Simmons, are you ready on Davis?
It was recent, Your Honor, May 18th.
Oh, it was?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'm not thinking I can do that either. This, that's hard. I don't hold. The law. I walk in there.
David Grove is not here. Grove.
I mean.
Yes, that's what.
LeBlanc. Sarah Renee Roy.
Mr. Moore, we're not doing the street today. I'll be glad to do that too.
You got a paperwork, Joe?
Yes, thank you.
What
I
paperwork?
think the.
Oh,
Thank you.
I'm sorry, good morning. What's your name? I'm sorry.
Sarah Renee Roy, she's on the MTRP docket. It's just her first time here. Right, for motion to revoke probation.
Okay.
Ms. Roy,
Yes, sir.
I have before me, two cases, cause numbers 24 CCCR 0420 and cause number 24 CCCR 0421. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Sarah Renee Roy. Ms. Roy, is that your full name?
That is my maiden name.
Your maiden name? Okay. Ms. Roy, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Ms. Roy, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Roy? That's good. Now, Ms. Roy, in these two cases, I have before me motion to revoke your probation. In cause number 24 CCCR 0420, they filed a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. In this motion, it alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, was tried in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas on June 27th, 2025 for the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. The court deferred adjudication of guilt in accordance with Article 42.12 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. And you was placed on unadjudicated probation for a period of 1 year. In this motion, there are 4 allegations. First allegation alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, aka Sarah Renee Tatum, failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office as ordered by the court on or about July 24th, 2025, August 14th, 2025, September 17th, 2025, October 15th of 2025, and November 19th of 2025, as directed in violation of condition 4 of your probation order. Allegation number 2 alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, aka Sarah Renee Tatum, failed to work faithfully at suitable employment as far as possible as ordered by the court in violation of condition 6 of your probation order. Allegation number 3 alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, aka Sarah Renee Tatum, failed to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court, and as of December 16th of 2025, you were $240 in arrears in violation of condition 9 of your probation order. And allegation number 4 alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, aka Sarah Renee Tatum, failed to perform the community service hours as required by the court in violation of condition 17 of your probation order. Now, Ms. Roy, do you understand the allegations in this probation order?
Yes, sir.
Or in this motion to revoke probation? Now, if the court finds that any one of these allegations are true, let's see, you can be assessed punishment up to 180 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, the next motion, bring this one up. Cause number 24 CCCR 0421. It was also filed by the, that's the order. Also filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. Let's see. Motion. And this motion alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, was tried in County Court Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on the 27th day of June, 2025, for the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. The court found that evidence was sufficient beyond a reasonable doubt to support a finding of guilt. However, the court place you on deferred adjudicated probation for a period of 1 year. In this motion, there are 3 allegations. Allegation number 1 alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office as ordered by the court on or about July 24, 2025, August 14, 2025, September 17, 2025, October 15, 2025, and November 19, 2025 is directed in violation of condition 4 of your probation order. Allegation number 2 alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, failed to work faithfully at suitable employment as far as possible, as ordered by the court in violation of condition 6 of your probation order. And allegation number 3 alleges that you, Sarah Renee Roy, failed to perform community service hours required as ordered by the court in violation of condition 17 of the probation order. Now, Ms. Roy, if the court finds that any one of these allegations are true, the court can assess punishment up to 180 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand? Now, Ms. Roy, I also have before me 2 documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Or are these your initials on the line that states you'd like to apply for a court-appointed attorney? I also have another document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of the same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Roy, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents? Did you understand what you read? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Roy, I read your answers. Based on your answers, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the attorney that will be appointed to represent you in this case is Attorney Marva Provo. That's Ms. Provo standing right there to your left. If she has time, she'll be able to talk to you today. But our court coordinator is going to give you information on how to contact Ms. Provo, and Ms. Provo will give information on how to contact you. Once you get the information, you may want to wait around you to talk to Ms. Provo. You'll be able to talk to her today?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just have a seat in that first chair on the wall, and you have a blessed day.
Yeah.
There you go. Here's the paper. Gary Hafford.
Who do we have? I'm sorry.
Gary Hafford. He was on the announcement docket.
But you. Would you double check that? You. Not about that, so wait. But, okay. How many days?
Here you go. You can take a look at the.
Oh, okay, so I didn't see
Here
it
you go.
pop up on this.
It
one.
is.
Okay, thank you. Will the costs and stuff be automatically retired, or we need to write that?
No,
This
he's,
is served time?
we get an affidavit. He hadn't served all this time. I'm gonna need an affidavit on it.
I'm sorry, good morning, sir. How you doing? All right? So.
That's the lady that was appointed to that Marvel was appointed to represent her. Marvel's gonna talk to.
Okay. That's two cases? Well, you have everything, Judge. It's fine.
Yeah,
Okay. I apologize, Judge. I think I may have sent one back to the clerk.
send Hafford back to me.
Paragraph. I'm sorry, I think I sent one back by.
Yeah. He's gonna send it back to me.
I just can't, she just showed me. I hope she didn't.
And I'm gonna need a affidavit on Hafford. Jefferson County Code Law number 2 is in session. In 2 cases, they are cause numbers 26 CCCR 0054 and cause number 26 CCCR 0599. Both cases established, well, cause number 24 CCCR 0054 established State of Texas versus Gary Hafford. And the second case, cause number 26 CCCR 0599 established State of Texas versus Gary Lynn Hafford Jr. Mr. Hafford, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hafford, would you please raise your right hand? You swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hafford, you may put your hand up. How are you doing, Mr. Hafford?
All right, sir.
That's good. Mr. Hafford, in cause number 26 CCCR 0599, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Gary Lynn Hafford Jr., on or about January 11th of 2026, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Hafford, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Hafford, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest?
Contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Free.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Halford, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled misdemeanor plea admonishments. You recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials GH on the line next to a box that's checked no continuing, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above. On the snap. On page 3, okay, he put his initials. Needed to put his signature on this document. He put his initials on that. Okay, Mr. Hafford. Let's see, erase his initials. Okay, now, Mr. Hafford, on page 3 of this document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant's Signature. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Hafford, before you sign and initial these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that you went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct
Yes,
to the
sir.
best of your knowledge? Mr. Hafford, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State will, offer State's Exhibit number 1, Your Honor.
Any objections to State's Exhibit number 1?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Hafford, your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mr. LeBlanc, you advised and counseled Mr. Hafford. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Hafford, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your pleas and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. Also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what's the agreement?
It would be 30 days within the Jefferson County Jail, credit for 8 days, Judge. And that is to run concurrent with. I'm sorry, Judge, with this,
It's a companion case?
with the companion case, that's correct, yes, thank you. Is that correct, Mr. LeBlanc? Yes.
Okay, now, Mr. Hafford, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in the Jefferson County Jail. What's the court called? You'll be given credit for 8 days. And the court cost in this case is $277. So are you able to pay the $277 court cost? Are you able to pay the $277 court cost? Okay, I'm gonna show you what is marked, a document that I'm handing to your attorney is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize that document? On page 2, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant Signature. Is that your signature? Is that his signature on page 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now is everything on this document still true and correct? To the best of your knowledge? Okay, now, Mr. Hafford, court is gonna find that you're indigent, and based on the finding of indigency, the court cost of $277 in this case will be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Now, Mr. Hafford, this case will also run concurrent with the companion case cause number 26CCCR 0054. Mr. Hafford, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hafford, I'll follow the people in agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. Hafford, we'll move on to your next case. The next case is cause number 26CCCR 0054. And in this case, I have before me a document that is titled Information. And this information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Gary Hafford, on or about November 22nd of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense, failure to identify by giving false or fictitious information. Mr. Hafford, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Hafford, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No.
No, you pleaded no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? You have to speak up.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Hafford, I have before me another document. This document is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Okay, on page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no look contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials GH on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
So,
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
so,
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right to appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Where's the, did he have both numbers on the discovery certification? Yeah. I also have before me a document that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Hafford, before you sign the initial deed documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So tender, John.
Any objections to
No.
State's 1? No objection, State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Hafford, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what's the,
30 days, time served, I'm sorry, Judge, 30 days jail, credit for a date and it's to run concurrent with the companion case. Is that correct, Mr. LeBlanc?
Okay, Mr. Hafford, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in Jefferson County Jail. You'll be given credit for the 8 days that you've already served. The court cost in this case is $277. Now, the court costs will be waived pursuant to Article 42.15 because the court has previously found you to be indigent. Now, Mr. Hafford, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in this case is fair and just?
Sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Hafford, this case will run concurrent with cause number 25 CCCR 0599. And Mr. Stafford, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have made in both of these cases. Now, is he going into custody now?
6 p.m.
Okay,
Obviously, the state will not object to staying the minimus until Friday at 6 p.m., Judge.
okay, so now, Mr. Stafford, you have to report to the Jefferson County Jail. Let's see. On the 17th,
Yes.
on April 17th, at or before 6 p.m. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And you need to bring the paperwork that we're going to give you with you. Okay? All right. So have a seat and wait for your name to be called. Have a seat in that first chair. That's the 17, 6 p.m. Okay,
Your Honor.
yes, we have
Nadia Roman written on the PRP. I just found on the river going. I think it says it's for a year.
yeah, it's for a motion, it's a motion to revoke the bond. Isn't it right?
Is it the bond or the full?
No, it's the bond conditions, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, okay, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. That's Mr. Venabush, your full name is Brandon Venabush?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Venabush?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Venabush, you're representing your case by your attorney, James Paget. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Paget. What's your announcement in Mr. Venabush's case?
Your Honor, we have come to an agreement, Mr. Williams and I, on Mr. Vanderbush's case. It's going to be a $250 fine plus court cost, Your Honor. My request is that you would allow Mr. Vanderbush time to save the money.
Okay, how much time does he need?
Would you allow 45 days, Your Honor?
Okay, that's fine. Give us a 45-day reset on Brandon Venabush. He's on page 8 of the announcement docket, third case.
Today.
Okay. May 27th.
Okay, this case will be reset until May 27th.
Your Honor, is there any way we could
Hold
do
on.
that Friday? It's not on my scheduling.
Okay, what's 20?
Yes, if we could.
Okay. This case will be reset till Friday the 29th, May 29th of 2026. Mr. Venabush, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day, and we'll see you Friday, May 29th at 9 a.m. You're welcome.
Yeah.
And then, Mr. Kipley.
Eldred Kittling,
Mr. Kipley was right outside.
Yeah.
He should be sitting on the bench. Kittling.
Eldred Kittling on page 8, Venabush, page 8, May 29th.
Sometimes helping.
Yeah, I'm at 107
Mr. Kittling, right here, sir. Speak up. And then he'll tell you exactly what you're to.
Okay, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in 2 cases, cause numbers 25 CCCR 2536 and cause number 25 CCCR 2537. Both cases are South the state of Texas versus Eldred Kittling. Mr. Kittling, is that your full name? Okay. Now, Mr. Kittling, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Kittling, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Mr. Kittling, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Kittling? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Kittling, you represented in your cases by your attorney James Paget. Mr. Paget, do you waive a record in Mr. Kittling's cases?
We do, Your Honor.
Hey, Mr. Kittling, in cause number 25 CCCR 2537, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Eldred Kittling, on or about November 24th of 2024, November 8th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon. Mr. Kittling, do you understand what you've been charged with? And to this charge, Mr. Kittling, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Kittling, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials EK on a line next to a box that's checked Nola Tendrake. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. You understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document that is titled discovery certification. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, Mr. Kidling, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Now, Mr. Kidling, are you a citizen of the United States? Yeah, okay,
They
state.
will offer State's Exhibit number 1, Your Honor.
No objections to statement.
No objections. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Paget, you advised and counseled Mr. Kidling. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None, Your Honor.
And Mr. Kidling, your attorney, Mr. Paget, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes.
Mr. Kidling, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement, essential terms are as follows, Judge. There would be 210 days within the county jail. However, Judge, there will be probated for an 18-month period of time, Your Honor. There would be a $250 fine and 60 hours community service. And as consideration of the plea, the state will dispose of criminal number 25 CCCR 2536 by 12.45, the section of the Texas Penal Code. Is that correct, Mr. Patrick?
That is our understanding, Mr. Williams. He's gonna tell you the middle of the chapter. I'm gonna get done quick. But you can't.
Okay. What's the court cost?
There will be no tricks, no added money. And if you have trouble with money or something happens, you go to Palm Beach. It's a long way from.
277. Ooh, let's see, 80, 80s.
Right.
But we can tell at the time if you took. The probate sheet of suitability. You need to put out. Things happen. They can't push. Option 40,000. People are gonna do probation officer. You will take the adjustment.
Okay, Mr. Kidling. The state is offering that you serve 210 days in Jefferson County Jail, but you will not be required to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be placed on probation for a period of 18 months. During the 18-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $250 plus court costs for $277 You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your announcement fee of $15 a month, and a reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $111 a month. Will you be able to pay the $111 a month? Okay. You'll also be required to perform 60 hours of community service. And you will be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. The state will be dismissing cause number 25 CCCR 2536 by way of 12.45 of the Texas Penal Code. I also have before me a motion to forfeit the weapon in cause number, in this case, cause number 25 CCCR 2537. Now, Mr. Kidley, do you recognize this motion to forfeit? And is this your signature on the line that is titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Kidling, before you signed this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
No.
Now, Mr. Kidling, I'm going to grant this motion to forfeit the weapon, in this case, to the Beaumont Police Department. And Mr. Kidling, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that, I also have before me a document that's titled motion, a request for consider unadjudicated offenses, which is the 12.45 of the Texas Penal Code. You recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the document that's titled?
Yes, sir.
Now, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay, Mr. Kidling, again, I'm forfeiting the weapon in this case to the Beaumont Police Department. I'm signing this request to consider unadjudicated offenses, which is a 12.45 of the Texas Penal Code dismissal. Now, Mr. Kidling, do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Kidling, I'll follow the plea bargain agreements that you have entered into with the state. Here you go. He's gonna have to get printed on that. Mr. Kidling, you stand at the end of that table, follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Wait, I don't have, okay, huh? No, I'm just,
Mr. Williams.
hold on a minute. Mr. Jackson, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Lori Perazzo. Ms. Perazzo, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. And Ms. Perazzo, what is your announcement in Mr. Jackson's case?
Your Honor, I've been informed by Ms. Nixon that Mr. Jackson is a potential candidate for pretrial diversion. So if I could just have a reset so we can have sufficient time to request that.
We're gonna have to reset it second week in June, pretrial diversion. This is Devontae Wayne Jackson on page 8 of the announcement docket.
That will be June 8th.
Okay, this case will be reset to June 8, 2026. Mr. Jackson, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Ms. Perazzo, I think this is your only case. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You still working on green?
Oh, she said, there was, she had a previous balance of $60 from the jail or something. That was our name.
Why didn't it appear on the judgment?
Denise. He said we need to add in court costs we add with whatever financial balance is already on the case, but that's in a different spot. So we're gonna have to start looking at ours too, so they don't add it back. Oh.
So that was $60? Okay.
And two.
Let me see when he got on probation.
That's a story.
Was that July?
Start date, sir, was July.
July 29th.
25. But he has completed 1/3 of.
I'll try to be.
Okay. Okay, Jefferson County Code at Law number 2 is back in session and cause number 25 CCC Aura 1666. Case is style, the state of Texas versus Charles Wilson Jr. And Mr. Wilson is before me. Mr. Wilson, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wilson, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Wilson? That's good. Mr. Wilson, I have before me, well, first of all, Mr. Wilson, I have this motion for early termination that you filed pro se, meaning that you didn't have an attorney representing you, you filed it on your own. Is that correct? Now, Mr. Wilson has, he's asked for an early termination. The session approximately 8 months, fully complied, payment all fines, complete all required, with all reported, has maintained full-time employment, more than commission of technology, compliance, okay. Now, state, have you had opportunity to review the motion for early termination?
Yes, Your Honor.
And now what's the state's position?
My understanding is that he's been a model probationer. He's completed all the conditions. And he has served out the adequate term in order to make this request. State's not in opposition and based on the recommendation of the probation department in this case.
Okay. And so I'm looking at the I'm gonna take this matter under advisement. I'm not making a ruling right now. I'm gonna take it under advisement. I looked at
We pass it, one other.
the problem. I mean, I'm looking, just I'm gonna take it under advisement. We have a deadly conduct case. Okay.
Back to submit that as well.
Yeah, I just,
Should you
yeah,
need that.
yeah, okay. Okay, so the court is gonna just take this matter under advisement, Mr. Wilson. The court is not making a ruling on today, one way or the other. And so once the court makes its ruling, we'll let you know.
Okay.
All right, so you're free to go. Yeah, you're still on, I mean,
Yes.
you,
Oh, I was telling Will Thomas. Okay.
yeah, okay. Oh, this was just an early term.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, I'm not making a ruling right now. Take this matter under advisement. Okay. We have Mr. Lawrence. Hold on, we can go ahead on and get, what Mr. Lawrence has.
We have two cases.
Okay. Okay, is Kason Morris here? Please come forward. Kason Morris on page 5. Mr. Morris, your full name is Kason Morris.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Morris?
Pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Morris, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Jack Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence, how are you doing?
Just fine, Your Honor.
And Mr. Lawrence, what is your announcement in Mr. Morris's case?
Well, we're ready to proceed, Your Honor. We have been given.
Your Honor, at this time, I'm going to request that this matter, I'm going to request a court reporter to make a record of this matter, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Lawrence, just have us, or Mr. Kason, just have a seat and we're gonna call you back up. Okay,
Do you need me?
yeah, you have another case.
Yes.
Now, the next case is Lindsay Brooke Garcia Yates.
Can you tell me what, are you going to continue the Morris case or?
We're gonna call you back up, just hold on a minute.
All right.
What are we doing on this?
Judge, there's a motion, this was a motion to,
For continuance.
no, it's a motion to continue. The state does not oppose their companion felony case, which is over in Judge Thorne courts this morning, Judge, correct?
Yes, sir.
You had been there, not yet.
Yes, sir, we're good.
I'm sorry, if you can inquire of the client, I don't, No way.
So you have a felony case?
Yes, sir.
What did they do with your felony case?
I got 5 years.
Oh, it's been disposed of.
Mhm.
Okay, so what are we gonna do on the misdemeanor?
I see no reason why there can't be a period of deferral to run concurrent with the felony. But there's an overarching concern about the status why they would need why I need a record, Judge. Or
Oh, you
we
need a
can go
record on
off
this
the-
one too?
Listen, respectfully, Judge, can we go off the record, Judge?
Yes, please do.
We did this here. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. 3 cases. Cause numbers 26 CCC 0425. Cause number 25 CCC 2770. And cause number 25 CCCR 2771. All 3 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jacoby Dwayne Green. Mr. Green, is that your full name?
Yes, sir, Jacoby Dwayne Green.
Okay, Mr. Green, would you please raise your right hand? Got a hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Green?
Green, all right?
Yeah, you doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr.
Maintaining.
That's good. Now, Mr. Green, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marva Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor.
And Ms. Provo, do you waive a record in Mr. Green's cases?
We do.
Mr. Green, in cause number 25 CCCR 2770, I have before me a motion, I have before me an information that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Jacoby D. Green, on or about August 6th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Green, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Green, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no content. No content.
Okay, now,
Because
hold on, wait, just wait. On the paperwork,
I pleaded guilty.
you pleaded guilty, right?
But I'm saying that, but what I be doing, sir, getting off the city bus off in the neighborhood, and sometime I might sit up there and say, well, I want to get me a little something for my throat, but they got no cool cups on them streets, like Kool-Aid cool cups, like in the projects. So what I do is, I might think about going over there, but it's a long walk. Well, I'm going. I'm guilty.
Okay, so you're pleading guilty.
Yeah, I'm guilty.
Okay. Now, Mr. Green, are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
Yeah, I'm guilty.
All right. Now, Mr. Green, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
But I'm guilty though.
I know. Do you recognize it?
Yeah, I recognize it.
Okay. Now, on page 2, there's some initials, there's a signature, well, some initials, JG.
Yeah. Jacoby Dwayne Green.
All right. Did you
Yeah.
place your initials on this document?
JG. And
Okay.
Chris.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm guilty.
On page 3 of this document, is this your signature?
Yeah, that's my signature.
All right. On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yeah, that's fine.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case
Sure.
and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
But I'm guilty already.
I understand. Now, the next box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that
Yeah,
statement?
I understand.
Now, I have a document on paper that's titled Discovery Certification. And is this your signature on this document? All right. Now, Mr. Green, before you sign and initial all of these documents, did your attorney, Ms. Provo,
Yeah.
go over the documents with you?
Read it too.
All right. And did you understand what she read?
Yeah, I'm guilty.
That's good. And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yeah.
Now, Mr. Green,
Yes, sir.
are you a citizen of the United States?
Yeah.
Okay, state. You like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1?
So offered, Judge.
Any objections to State's Exhibit Number 1? No objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. Provo, you advised and counseled Mr. Green. Is there any evidence that he is mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No.
Now, Mr. Green, your attorney, Ms. Provo, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her services?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Green, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
30 days in jail, Your Honor. Credit for 3 days, and that is to run concurrent with the companion case, and the state to dismiss criminal number
26 CCR 0425.
26 CCR 0425. That's 30 days. What's the court cost?
80.
Two what?
80.
287?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Mr. Green, the state is offering that you serve 30 days in Jefferson County Jail. You'll be given credit for the 3 days that you've already served in the Jefferson County Jail. The court cost in this case is $287. Are you able to pay the $287? You are?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Mr. Green, if you can't pay the $287, there's no problem.
Yes, sir.
Just tell us that you can't pay it if you can't pay it. You don't have to say you can pay it. That's not going to prevent the court from going along with the plea bargain agreement. Okay, because some people say, oh, I can play it, knowing they can't pay it. And then we have a problem. Because if what happens is, if you say you can pay it, you can't pay it, they're going to keep you in jail a lot longer to serve out more days, to serve out the time for the money that's unpaid. So if you can't pay it, just say you can't pay it.
No, I can't pay it.
Good. Okay, now, Mr. Green, I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. I'm gonna hand this document to your attorney. She will hand it to you, and you and your attorney will review this document.
We want me to sign this.
No, you don't have to sign it. That's a document.
Yeah, that's correct.
Is correct? Everything's still true and correct?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Green, the court is gonna find that you're indigent. And because the court is finding you indigent, you will not have to pay the $287. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, Mr. Green, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Green, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. And Mr. Green, the jail time on this case will start at or before 6 p.m. on Friday, April the 17th. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And the state, this case will be running concurrent with the companion case, cause number 25 CCCR 2771. And the state will be dismissing cause number 26 CCCR 0425.
That's correct. I just sent it over.
That's good. Now, Mr. Green, I'll go to your next case. And your next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2771. And in this case, Mr. Green, I have before me an information that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Jacoby Dwayne Green, on or about September 16th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Mr. Green, do you understand what you've been charged with in this case?
Yes, sir.
And in this case, Mr. Green, how do you plead? Guilty?
Guilty.
Guilty. Now, Mr. Green, are you pleading guilty because you're guilty?
I'm pleading guilty because that's what they wrote me up for. The police wrote me up for that, put me in cuffs, you know.
I understand that.
Told you I'm guilty.
Okay, good. But let Mr. Green,
Yes, sir.
just settle down.
Calm down.
Okay, now you were here last time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I don't want to put your business on
You're not scared
on
them gonna
YouTube.
say yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Green, I have before me another document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. And do you recognize this document?
Yeah.
On page 2 of this same document, a set of initials, JG, and you place your initials on this document?
Yeah. Curse of J and a curse of G.
That's right. And you have a beautiful handwriting.
Yeah, for sure.
That's right. And there's a signature on the line that's on the next page that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Guilty.
All right. And on the next page, the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification, Defendant's Right of Appeal, is this your signature?
Yeah.
And at the top of this document, just like last time, I mentioned to you that the first box says check states that this is a plea bargain case, you have no right of appeal. And the second box check states that you're waiving your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Guilty.
All right. And now that you hear, I hear you saying guilty, so that means you understood what I just said?
Guilty. I'm guilty.
I understand that, but do you understand?
What you keep on talking about? You keep on saying the same thing over and over, and I'm keep on saying guilty.
Oh, okay, just chill out. Now, Mr. Green, you may not be aware that, okay, you're in court.
Yes, sir.
And there are certain rules of how people are to conduct themselves in court.
Yes, sir.
And if you do not conduct yourself appropriately, then we could do, the court can hold you in contempt of court.
Yes, sir.
And if we hold you in contempt of court, sir, you don't have to come up. Yeah,
If they can send that case back, I'm gonna dismiss this, let us vote.
okay. Now, the state has just informed me that on this case, they're gonna dismiss it. Okay? So, Mr. Green, just, have a seat.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just have a seat right there.
Then you send it back to me, please.
Okay.
You don't mind.
Okay, Mr. Landry, your attorney, Mr. Wilkerson, just informed me that, this case is gonna be reset because the, probation office and the DA's office need to check into, a case that triggered the motion to revoke probation. Is that correct, Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes, Your Honor, and now I'm gonna investigate as well.
Okay, so we're gonna give you a reset date. Give us a reset date for these cases, May 20th. Okay, Mr. Landry, your cases will be reset to May 20th, 2026. Once you get your recess, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Please, stand in front of the court coordinator.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Wilkerson, is that you? Oh,
It is, Judge.
I have nothing on, so. Okay, Mr. Wilkerson, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Okay. Okay, who else? Mr. Lodge,
Did I send it to you?
she's staying, yeah, okay. Who else? I see you, Mr. Lawrence, and you're not ready yet. Huh?
Would you like me to vote?
No, we're not ready for you yet. Okay, what the MTRP? Okay,
Yeah, and that's the last one.
does Sheila, okay, does Sheila designate Cole? How you pronounce your first name? Tashayla? Okay, Miss Cole, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Miss Cole, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Miss Cole?
Morning.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Miss Cole, you represented in your case by Miss DeLage. And Miss DeLage, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Miss DeLage, do you waive a record in this case? Okay, so Miss Cole, I have before me a document that is titled, excuse me, okay, excuse me, a motion to revoke probation. And this motion was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this motion, it alleges that you, Tashayla Designate Cole, was tried in County Court Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, on May 2nd of 2023 for the Class A misdemeanor offense of fraud to destroy or remove. So that also. Concealment of a writing, huh?
He's on a different case.
And in this motion, it states that the evidence was sufficient beyond a reason without support of finding of guilt. However, the court deferred a finding of guilt and placed you on unadjudicated probation for a period of 1 year, and I see you had an extension of 6 months. In this motion, there are 4 allegations. State, are you abandoning allegations 2 and 3?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Cole, the state is abandoning allegations 2 and 3. That simply means that they will only be proceeding on allegations 1 and 4. Allegation number 1 alleges that you, Tashayla Designate Cole, failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office as ordered by the court on or about May 20th, 2024, September 16th, 2024, as directed in violation of condition 4 of your probation. Is that true or not true?
No.
Allegation number 4 alleges that you, Tashayla Designate Cole, failed to provide verification of completing the theft prevention class in violation of the additional condition A of your probation order. Is that true or not true?
True.
Now, you pleaded true to allegations 1 and 4 freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading true because they are true?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Cole, I also have before me a document on my tablet that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. It's also labeled as States 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
There's one box that's checked on the first page that states that's the MTRP, which means motion to revoke probation. On page 2, another box is checked, and it has some initials on a line next to a box that's checked motion to revoke probation true to allegations 1 and 4. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have the right of appeal. Do you understand the statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Now, before you sign and initial all these documents that I showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Cole, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State Office States Exhibit number 1.
No objection.
No objection. States Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. DeLage, is there any evidence that that your client is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
Like, me and my client both are mentally competent.
And Ms. Cole, are you satisfied with the services of your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Cole, I will accept your plea of true to allegations 1 and 4. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there's sufficient evidence to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Your probation is hereby revoked. State, do we have a plea bargaining agreement?
We do, yeah.
And what is that agreement?
It will be 16 days, time served, time actually served, Judge. And we ask that all court costs, fines and be tax and retired, Judge.
Okay,
Is that correct, Ms. Delay?
That is correct.
okay. And now, Ms. Cole, the state is offering that you serve 16 days in Jefferson County Jail. You not have to serve any more time in Jefferson County Jail because you already served 16 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired, and any unpaid balances, fines, fees, and costs will also be taxed and retired. Now, Ms. Cole, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah.
that's it. And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Cole, I'll follow people are in agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Ms. Cole, you will stand and just have a seat in that first chair. You'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day once you finish with the bidding.
Your Honor.
You're welcome.
I have no further cases on this.
Okay, you're welcome.
However, I will be sticking around.
Okay,
I
okay,
have a day with Cornelius.
okay. And
We'll be back.
let me see, we got Mr. Lawrence. He has 2 clients. I know, but y'all could go over there before me. I'll get over there. Because I have,
We don't need to, so.
Well, it is too. Some of the one.
Okay, so to be in recess till 1:30.